Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize compass in Rainbow Six Siege. And to do this, we'll need to click on the gear icons in the top right corner of the screen, move to the options, inside select HUD, then there's a compass, an entire tab dedicated to that specific option. And here to adjust the settings, we'll need to make sure that it's on. Then we can change our compass appearance from simplified to advanced, and advanced shows hide information for pings and markers in front of you, and simplified show pings and markers without any hide information. Current location, show the name of your current location that you can enable or disable. Location pings, show location pings to the compass, you can also enable or disable it, and that goes for rest of the settings as well. Contextual pings, show pings of devices marked by teammates on the compass. Opponent pings, show pings of opponents scanned by teammates on the compass. Objective markers, show icons marking objective locations on the compass. Elimination marker, show icons marking where a teammate was eliminated on the compass. And ping location helper, show the name of your ping location to help with callouts. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.